saying tenant say one woman come rent house on the 7th of December this 2023 after everything na the woman come run on the 11th of December, come run with the landlord, 2 children, and including the one of the tenants wey dey there, come carry their 2 sons come run comot. And it come dey happen say this woman now, as im pay that rent, when he don enter that house na only 3 days na im don spend before im carry those children run, including the landlord pikin and one of the tenant pikin. Na this woman carry them run dey go. Hey, na wow, some people get mind o. No, seriously, how can this happen? So now na the landlord come carry the matter go give police people. So now police people come dey do their own investigation, come dey run around, dey understand, dey carry the matter, dey go everywhere. So come even make